Hello! Today I'm going to show you how you can make this Disney-inspired luggage tag. So first you're going to open up Cricut Design Space. I opened it in my phone, and I'm just going to select a new project, upload, and then tap on Open Uploaded Images. So here you'll see some of my collection that I've purchased from Etsy, AuntieTay.com, or Love SVG, or just wherever. So right now I'm just tapping on some images that I think I might want to use. At this point I wasn't really sure which design I was choosing for the luggage tag. Obviously you know which one I did choose. So I'm just getting a look at them. I decided I wanted to do the Let's Do This with the Mickey head. So if you tap on edit, you can adjust the size of your image. So I've already measured the luggage tag, and so I just adjusted the size for Let's Do This. And once I'm confirming that, I'm just kind of zooming in, which you can do on any smartphone with your fingers. I want to make this. So that's just showing me what my mat will look like. And then I connected my Cricut machine, and I'm just confirming the type of material that I'm using, which is vinyl. This is adhesive vinyl. And once that looks okay, I'm loading my mat. I clicked on go. It's cutting the image. Sorry, I'm a little behind here compared to what you're watching, and this is in real time. So right now what my machine is doing is just cutting all the vinyl as I've told it to do, and once that's done it will tell me that it's done, and I will unload the mat. So here I am with my materials. I have rubbing alcohol and a washcloth, which you could use anything. Well, not anything, but whatever you think works best. And I'm just cleaning the surface of my luggage tag that I picked up from Daiso. And so that dries pretty quickly. And now what I'm going to do is prepare my adhesive vinyl for application. So what I'll do is just cut a piece of the transfer tape. And I believe I've run out of my standard grip Cricut transfer tape, so I've been using this paper transfer tape that I really like. However, I can tell I'm going to run out of it quickly, so I'm going to need to purchase some more. But I really like the way it works. The only thing is you can't really use it after 2 times. It seems to lose its stickiness. So here I'm just cutting it even closer to the size of my decal. And once that's done, I'll just go ahead and peel back the backing from the transfer tape. And then I'll just lay down the transfer tape on top of my decal. And so I'll just lay that over, press it down, and then I've been using a squeegee to press down and scrape along, but you can use a Cricut scraper. I've also used an old gift card or credit card. Anything thin and plastic should work pretty well. And so I'm just pressing down firmly, and I want to make sure that I get any of the smaller pieces really well. So in this case, the apostrophe and let's, because sometimes it's easy to just kind of overlook them and not concentrate on that area. And what could happen is it could get stuck on the decal sheet and not on the transfer sheet like you want it to. So here I am just pulling back the backing and making sure that all of my decal is on the transfer sheet. And it looks like one part of the S is giving me a little bit of a problem, but it ended up sticking, so that's going to work. And now what I'll do is just place it down on the luggage tag. And I'm not super exact about this, but if you feel like measuring before you place it, go right ahead. Do whatever makes you happy. So now I'm just going to press it down into place and just kind of rubbing that down with my fingers. And then I'll get my squeegee again and just remove that little hanging tag part so it'll lay flat. And now I'll just press down on all the letters to make sure that it's adhered well to the luggage tag. And I'm using Oracal 651, which is a permanent adhesive vinyl. I picked it up from Michael's. There's plenty of places you can find it online too. And so now I'm just pulling back the transfer tape and making sure that everything is laying down nicely. And I just love the way this black vinyl looks on the red. It's very Disney to me, which I love, in case you couldn't tell. So now I'm just going to put the little hanging tag back, and that's it. That's the Let's Do This luggage tag from Daiso and Oracal 651 vinyl. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and you can catch me on my website at mandyfreshforlife.com. Thanks.